Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm Chip, and today we are going to do an unboxing, a first impression, and a makeup look with GlamLite Cosmetics. I have never purchased from this company before, but I saw this really cute palette on Instagram and I thought, hey, I kind of want that in my collection because it called to me. You know when you just have that moment when something just calls to you? Well, this was this product hands down. So if you are interested to see the palette in action, some swatches, my thoughts, let's get into this video. I am ready to open this bad boy right here. We're just gonna go. Oh, I'm so excited. Kind of want to like keep the suspense going, but I've been dying to open up this package with you guys. So I got the GlamLite pizza palette. You guys, pizza palette. One more time, pizza palette. So it came in, looks like they did priority mail. Yeah, I purchased this and I think it said it was shipping within a couple of hours from purchasing, so that's amazing. And it didn't take that long to get here. So yeah, it came nice and protected in bubble wrap, heavy duty bubble wrap, which is very nice. Thank you so much. So now that I got it out the box, I'm looking at it, I am dying. So before we get started, if you are new to my channel, thank you so much for stopping by and spending a moment with me. And if you like this video, don't forget to leave me a big thumbs up. And also, please subscribe to my channel so you will be notified on any video that I post. And don't forget to hit that bell down below, which will also send you notifications. And if you are coming back and returning to my channel, thank you so much for the love and support. And let's keep this channel going. First, let's start with packaging, pricing, what the company online states this product to be. So when I got it out of the box, this is what it looks like. And honestly, you guys, stunning. Like, I am just, you guys, I'm so excited. So it came with this little pamphlet or little card here. It says GlamLite Cosmetics, and it has a little spiel about the founder of the company. She's like, I'm thinking she's obsessed with pizza. This is like such a cute little card. And on the back it says, "Hi Glam Babes," and I get a 15% off my next purchase coupon code. So that is cute. Okay, so this is, let's see if it's in focus. So this is the box of the palette. Looks like a pizza box. And on the back, it has the information of the palette itself. It says, "Indulge your taste buds with the world's most delicious pizza. This pizza palette offers 18 mouth-watering shades from healthy greens, smoky browns, bright and vibrant yellows, spicy reds, and oranges. This palette is perfect for even the pickiest of tastes." So cute. So yeah, it has more information about GlamLite, and it says to use hashtag pizza palette. Okay, you guys, I am super excited. Let's just open this bad boy up. So it opens up like a pizza. So cute, right? So cute. I'm so excited. Oh, you guys, this looks so cool. So freaking cool. So freaking cool. So let's just take this out, and oh my gosh, this is probably the coolest palette first impression unboxing I have ever done on my channel. So I'm just gonna put it here so you can see it with like in the box. Like, you guys, this is super, super cute. So this is the palette. I mean, look at the size of this thing. Super, super big, which is fantastic. And It just looks like a pizza. Like, I am obsessed, just so obsessed about this. On the back, it says the most delicious most delicious palette ever, and use hashtag pizzapalette. Says GlamLite, so just some more information. And it also has the ingredients. You have 18 shades in this palette, and they're each 0.07 ounces. Now, the whole palette itself is 36 grams, and this does run for $40 on their website. So that's about $2.22 about there for each shade. So already I'm thinking that's a good price point. All right, let's open her up. Oh my gosh. Holy cow, holy cow. Let's just have this moment with this palette. Let's just take a moment with this palette. I mean, this orange right here is so bright and vibrant. Like, oh my gosh, I am so excited to swatch this, to play with this. And this also does come with a little sleeve here to protect your shadows, and you have a nice size mirror. So, and it also has like the pizza decoration, excuse me, on the border of the palette. You guys, this is so innovative. Like, it's just so creative, and I love that it's so different from all like the standard palette packaging. Oh, I am so happy already, so happy. And just like they really thought it out, you know, from how you would have that first impression of this palette. It came in a pizza box, and it really looks like a pizza. Like, I'm shook. I'm shook. so freaking excited. Okay, so packaging, yes. Two thumbs up for packaging. Just delivery, yes, amazing. Price point, $40, about $2 per shadow, 18 shades, yes. So this palette is organized into slices. So you have 6 slices, each of them are holding 3 shadows. But even just the way that they organized the slices, I feel like each slice can be a look in its own. So you can either go by the slice or you can just go all over the palette. So I think that's also very clever. The shadows are very smooth, very buttery, and you have a mixture of shimmers and mattes. So in this palette, let's see, you have red onion, which is a shimmer. You have pineapple, which is also a shimmer. Jalapenos is a shimmer, and the rest of them are matte. So we are just going to swatch. I'm gonna have to set this down just because it is pretty large of a palette. And yes, let's just jump into some swatches. Okay, so here are the first 3 shades. So this is red onion, and then you have pineapple, and then you have bacon. So look at that. So red onion, pineapple, and bacon, and they just look so vibrant. I mean, this pineapple yellow, look at that, and that purple. I love purple eyeshadow, so I am so excited to give this palette a whirl already on the first 3 shades. Okay, the next 3 shades, this is basil, then you have garlic, and then you have prosciutto. I think that's how you say it, prosciutto. Let's swatch those and look at that. This forest green, again, this is basil. This looks so stunning. And then you have a really nice brow highlight and a nice pink shade in this slice. Okay, this is the next slice. So starting off with jalapeno with this nice shimmer green. And then you have hot sauce, which is a orange matte. And you have meatballs, which is a nice burgundy matte. Super pigmented. This shimmer is stunning, and you have this really nice hot orange color and a nice burgundy shade. Okay, then you have the next slice. You starting off with sausage, which is a nice brown matte. Then you have marinara, a deep red burgundy brick red color, which is matte. And then you have black olives, which is a black matte. Here are the shades. still so pigmented. This black is stunning. I love a nice deep black shadow, especially it's matte. Will do great with any look. So yes, this is the next slice. Okay, and this is the next slice. So starting off with Ham, which is this bubblegum pink. And then you have Kalamata Olives, which is this nice purple, and Pepperoni, which is a nice red. These are all three mattes. And let's see how they swatch. Again, very nice. And they are also very buildable. So I am liking that. So if at first you don't succeed, another coat and you'll get just what you are looking for. So again, these are all three mattes: Ham, Kalamata Olives, and Pepperoni. Okay, and this is the last slice of the pizza palette, starting off with Extra Cheese, which is a matte, and then you have Mushrooms, which is a very nice lavender gray taupe color, and then ending with Green Peppers, which is this really nice kind of teal green shade. These are, again, mattes, so let's give them a whirl. And those look nice as well, and also very buildable. If you don't like that first application. So yeah, these are also so buildable. So yeah, so this is really pretty, and this is the final three shades in the palette. Let's jump into the next portion of this first impression, and let's do a makeup look. Using my Morphe R40, this is just a very fluffy blending brush. I want to lay down a transition color for this look, so I'm gonna go with Extra Cheese because I feel like that would just work really well in my crease. I'm gonna apply it right here and blend. Okay, and then using the same brush, I'm going to jump into the shade Bacon. Wow, Bacon is a really pretty shade. Okay, and then I'm going to grab my Sigma Blending E25 and I'm going to go in with, let's go in with Pepperoni. And we're just gonna place Pepperoni right under Bacon. Okay, then going back in with the shade that I had Bacon on, and you just want to blend those together. Okay, so using my Sephora Pro number 31 smoky brush, I'm gonna go in with Kalamata Olives, and I'm still working in that crease area, and I just want to darken that crease area even more. So far, pigmentation's great. Using my Sephora, small shadow and the number 15, I think I'm wanting to do like a shimmer, and I just want to play with it. So play with all these shimmers. So I'm going to go in with Pineapple. Okay, So pineapple on the brush is kind of meh, so I'm gonna try it on my finger. So I'm going to go ahead and add bacon and pepperoni and a little bit of Kalamata olives to my bottom lashes, or bottom waterline. Okay, and then on the inner underwater line, I'm going to add that pineapple. So to finish off this look, I'm going to go in with garlic as my brow highlight. So I'm just going to place that right under my brows. Okay, and let me go do some lashes and mascara, and I will be right back. So this is the final look using the GlamLite Cosmetics Pizza Palette. I decided not to do any lashes because I thought they would kind of like take away from the look. And honestly, I love the pigmentation payoff on this palette. These mattes, you guys, these mattes, one more time. These mattes though, they blend like a dream. They are so buttery, so pigmented on my eyelids. GlamLite is about to be on display on that vanity back there. Like, I am so impressed with this palette, and the yellow shimmer that I used, although I had to use a combination of a brush and my finger, I still love the payout, the pigmentation payout that it gave. And again, I didn't use any concealer to do any type of additional effects, so like cut crease or whatnot, because I just wanted to see what the shadows, how they would work and apply and perform on my just natural eyelid. But yeah, this is the final look. And again, you guys, I love this palette. My first impression is a 2 thumbs up, a 10 out of 10. I love the swatches. I love the packaging. I love the pigmentation, the payoff. This is just such a cool palette, I did not get any fallout, so that's a plus. So for those that do their foundation first and then their eyes last, this palette, no fallout. Honestly, I am impressed. So I really hope you enjoyed this video and this palette. And honestly, GlamLite, you guys are killing it. So yeah, I will keep you guys posted on further looks that I make with this. And that is all I have. So I hope you guys are having a great day, and I will see you in my next one. Bye. Mwah.